Now, welcome to my class. Today we'll be talking on what? Pressure. Now, under pressure now, we're going to look at what? Pressure in what? In solid. Now, let's firstly define what? Pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is what? Is the force. Everybody, what is pressure?
Pressure is the force.
So, pressure is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area. Pressure is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area. Pressure is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area. Everyone is pressure.
Pressure is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area.
So please take note that pressure is the force. Pressure is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area. Therefore, mathematically, pressure P equals what? Force over area. Pressure equals what? Force over area. Where P denotes what? Pressure, F is what? Force, and A is what? Area. Now, take note of two things under this guide. Now, what is the relationship between pressure with force? And what is the relationship between what? Pressure with area. Take note that pressure is direct proportional to what? Force. And this same pressure is inversely proportional to what? Area. What does this imply? Please take note of that. It implies that the more the pressure, the lower the what? Surface area. Now, the lesser the pressure, the more the what? Surface area. Again, take note now. Now, pressure increases with decrease in surface area. Pressure what?
Increase.
Now, pressure increases with what? Decrease in what? Now, and pressure what? Decreases with what? Increase in what? Surface area. That is why I'm standing with my what? Two legs like that. You see that? You are exerting pressure on the ground. But the pressure you are exerting on the ground is what? Is not much. Why? Because all your what? Your feet is what? Balancing on the what? On the ground. Now, you will now compare that when you was raise up your what? One leg, you know that the pressure is what? Is more. Why? Because the surface area is what? Is what? Is small. Take note of that. Pressure is more when the surface area is what? Is small. And pressure is large. I mean, pressure is maximum when the surface area is what? Is little or what? Is the least. And pressure is minimum when the surface area is what? Is large. Now, take note of this now. Pressure, for example, now, this formula for what? Pressure. Now, pressure can be maximum and minimum. So let's take it this way now. Now, let's assume this, let me call this one P max. Now, pressure becomes maximum when your area is what? Minimum. Please take notes now. What can give us maximum pressure? Is when the what? Area is what? Minimum or least. Please take note now. You have what? More pressure when the what? Area is what? Minimum or least. Pressure will increase when the area is what? Minimum or when the area is what? Small. Now in this case now, take note now. Note that what? Pressure is maximum. Pressure is what? Pressure is maximum when the what? When the area is what? Is the least. now. Balance calculates maximum pressure. Balance calculates what?
Maximum pressure.
What happens to the what? Area. The area must be what?
Minimum.
The area must be minimum. Now, in the reverse, take this one to be 1. Now again, for pressure to be minimum, for pressure to be what? For pressure to be what?
Minimum.
So the area must be what? The area must be what?
Maximum.
Maximum or the greatest. Exactly now.
Yes.
Now for pressure to be minimum, what happens to the area? So basically, it must be what? Maximum or what? The greatest. Now in that case now, note. For pressure, for what?
For prayer.
For pressure, or let's say pressure is maximum. Let's put it this way. Pressure is minimum. Are you now? When what? When the area, when the what? When the area is the greatest. When the area is the what? Greatest or maximum. Exactly now. Now, pressure becomes minimum. Pressure becomes what?
Minimum.
When the area is what? Maximum or the greatest. Exactly now. In this case now, let's check the unit for what? Pressure. Let's check the unit for what?
Pressure.
Now, the SI unit. SI what? Units for pressure. Abi, now take us from here now. This is force. This is what?
Force.
So for this now, force is in what? In Newton. Abi, and area is in what? Meter square. In this now, the SI unit for pressure is equal to what? So the SI units are, you can use what? Newton meter or Newton per meter square. Is that it now? Or you can use what? Pascal. You can use what?
Pascal.
So this is short for Pascal. Now, other units, other what? The other units are, we can use what? Number 1, we can use bar. Bar is used to what? Measure what? Pressure. Is that it now? Number 2, you can still use you can call it millimeter watt mercury, or you use what? Centimeter watt mercury, or that is you can use that is for 80 watts. Atmospheric pressure, I mean, use 80. So these are some watts, other use of watts pressure. These are some watts. These are some other units for pressure. So in this case now, master the formula for what? Pressure. What is pressure? Again, pressure is what? Is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area. Please take note of this word perpendicularly. It's very important. Whenever you are dividing pressure, you have to put what? Perpendicularly. So pressure is what? Is the force acting perpendicularly per unit area. Do you get it?
Yes.
So please write fast. Let's solve some questions.